Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need solid fundamentals now: Python, SQL, statistics, and basic machine learning. Start by choosing one real dataset and build a production-style pipeline: cleaning, feature work, modeling, metrics. Once done, push code to a focused GitHub repo and write a 2-page resume summary that highlights impact and metrics. Make sure to log experiments and include a README with model performance. These are the first actions that get you interview-ready quickly. They show you can deliver results, not just theory. Once your portfolio and resume exist, target specific Microsoft roles and apply to 3-5 openings per week. Reach out to current employees and alumni for 15-minute informational calls. Ask about team priorities and required skills. Simultaneously, schedule focused interview practice, 1-hour coding sessions, and 30-minute ML system design mocks. Make sure to record your answers, refine explanations of trade-offs, and quantify impact. Doing these steps in parallel speeds progress. Networking: when you receive an offer, negotiate with numbers. Base, equity, sign-on bonus, and title tie request to market data and your impact. Once accepted, prepare an onboarding checklist: access to data, key contacts, mentor assignment, and a 30/60/90-day plan. If you don't get traction, ask for feedback, iterate on one new high-impact project, and apply to adjacent roles like ML engineer or research intern to gain entry. Keep momentum. Small pivots often unblock the path to Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.